Ferraris are already known for their power, precision, and engineering perfection straight from the factory, but sometimes even the best can get better. Navitech, an elite aftermarket tuner, has proven this with their extraordinary work on the Ferrari SF90 XX, a hypercar that is already a marvel in its own right. While most tuners would hesitate to touch such a well-engineered machine, Navitech has made it even more spectacular, especially in terms of power and sound. The first thing that grabs attention in the Ferrari SF90 XX Navitec edition is the aggressive, ear-piercing exhaust note. This Ferrari was already engineered with performance in mind, but Navitec thought it wasn't loud enough. The challenge was clear: make this car scream like the hypercar it is without compromising its performance or sophistication. To achieve this, Navitec engineered a new exhaust system for the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, designed not only to amplify the sound but also to enhance the car's output. The result? An additional 30 horsepower and 620 lb-ft of torque, pushing the car to a staggering 1,046 horsepower. The SF90 XX is now even more of a beast, and the sound matches its new level of performance. Navitec didn't stop at just adding power. The exhaust system is available in two materials, stainless steel or Inconel. The latter, used in Formula 1, reduces weight and adds an extra layer of exclusivity to the car, ensuring that the car not only sounds incredible but performs incredibly as well. However, Navitec's touch extends beyond just the engine. One of the more noticeable changes to the Ferrari SF90 XX Navitec is the updated wheels and suspension. The car now rides on 20-inch front wheels and 21-inch rear wheels with high-performance tires, designed for better grip and a more aggressive stance on the road. Complementing the new wheels is an improved suspension system that lowers the car's ride height by 25 mm at both the front and rear, giving it an even more dynamic appearance and enhancing handling. Of course, aesthetic changes were also a priority for Navitec, and they've succeeded in making this already stunning Ferrari look even more dramatic. Carbon fiber wing mirror covers provide a sleek, modern touch, elevating the exterior design of the car. The car shown in this article comes in a gorgeous blue finish, one of the custom options available for the SF90 XX, though Navitec hasn't disclosed how much this particular customer paid for the upgrades. Navitec also offers customization of the interior, ensuring that the cabin of this modified hypercar matches the same level of drama as the exterior. Whether it's the trim, upholstery, or other features, owners can choose modifications that reflect their personal style, making their Ferrari SF90 XX a unique masterpiece. The beauty of Navitec's work lies in its philosophy: they don't compromise the core of the car. While the hybrid systems and electric motors are left untouched, Navitec works its magic in the areas that matter most for performance, sound, and aesthetics. The focus is clear: to make the Ferrari SF90 XX not just faster, but louder, sleeker, and more powerful, all while preserving the car's iconic design and engineering integrity. As Ferrari continues to innovate in the hypercar market, Navitec's modifications provide a way to make these already spectacular machines even more thrilling. The SF90 XX by Navitec proves that sometimes, even the most finely tuned machines can be taken to the next level.